I felt her footsteps ripple through the roots beneath my throne. Her trembling breath drew closer, seeking truth she'd never known. I held the light they feared, wrapped in skin of ruby red. Her secret ripened slowly for the moment she was led. I was planted as a warning, but I grew into a key. The wisdom they kept hidden kept calling out through me. I am the tree, the hunger and the spark, the pulse inside the silence, the lantern in the dark. She touched my fruit and time rewound. The bite became her breaking crown. I am the truth they tried to bind, yet still she heard my ancient mind. She traced my bark like scripture written long before her birth. I felt her questions burning, seeking more than gentle earth. The serpent whispered softly, but the choice was truly hers. I only bloomed the knowledge waiting deep within her nerves. Their Eden was a cage disguised as paradise. I cracked it with a tremor, and she paid the sweetest price. I am the tree, the echo in her hand, the trembling spark of courage they never learned to understand. The bite she took unwrote their lies. My seeds grew wild across the skies.